What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today I wanted to do a video showing you my new hairline from Scalp Logic. This is not the final result. It's very important to understand that. It's also very important to understand that it's new. I just got this done yesterday, so it is still actually a little red, and it actually looks a little more red on camera than what it is in real life. In real life, it doesn't look nearly as red, to be honest. But this is the perfect time for me to show you what my new hairline looks like. Normally, when I'm on camera, I can't see my hair because it starts like back here. And so if I'm looking at the camera like this, I have to like physically go like this for you guys to see that I have hair. Or you're just seeing like a drop, a tiny little like drop of hair from like up there, like kind of like this. But now, holding my head normal, holding my head straight, you guys can see the illusion, what scalp micropigmentation is, the illusion of hair, which I think is absolutely amazing. Now, when I first got this done, we were on a live. Some of you guys might have joined that live. And we were talking about whether we should drop the hairline or not. We got some great feedback. Excellent, excellent advice. A lot of people, I think, are afraid of dropping the hairline because they're afraid it's going to look fake. Because there's a lot of people out there, and we had some people during the live as well say, don't drop the hairline because it's going to look fake. I believe, truly, that the reason why y'all think it's going to look fake is because you've seen results from other providers, other people other than Scalp Logic. Completely different people, okay? So what they might do is they're also going to take every single person who, provider, is also going to take your input in. So if you tell them to go very low on the hairline, they may or may not do that. And if they take your input and they put it very, very low, and then it heals and it looks fake, you're going to be like, oh, don't drop the hairline because it's going to look fake. But look, this does not look fake by any means. It does look red, but it does not look fake. I've shown so many people my new hairline, and they're like, wow, it looks so natural, so real. It's not very, very far down. It's not very, very high. They took like an hour, maybe like more than an hour to figure out what we want this to look like. They're asking my opinion. They're asking the viewer on the live chat's opinion. They're taking in their opinions, and we're all weighing in on it to try to get the perfect hairline, and I really think we figured that out. I can't wait to see what this looks like when this is all less red, and once we have 2 more sessions under my belt, because this is the first session. So it's not even fully blended. It's not even fully, you know, dotted up. So we got a long way to go, but I have another appointment coming up soon, and I can't wait to get over with. I texted Nicole and Joe last night after I got home. I was like, guys, you guys are amazing. Amazing. Absolutely amazing. Nicole and Joe just know what they're doing. Unreal. Unreal results. It is so natural and real looking that it's unreal. That's what I'm talking about. I've never had a hairline like this in my life. And I was concerned originally that, oh, if I get my hairline lowered, I was never concerned that it would look fake. I was never concerned with that because I know Joe and Nicole, they don't do fake work. They don't do fake results. It's something they do not do. There's no question that they don't do it. You will not get a result that looks fake from Nicole and Joe. So I was never concerned with that. What I was concerned about was having to shave my head more now, because once you bring the hairline down past your normal hairline, you have to shave more often because the hair up here starts to grow and the hair over here is not growing. So you'll see, people can see a discrepancy. But after I see this hairline, I texted Nicole and Joe last night. I was like, guys, I don't even care if I have to shave any more often. I don't even care if my hair doesn't have a chance to get too much darker with a couple days worth of growth, because the hairline itself makes up for that. You know what I'm saying? I actually have a lower hairline. I have a frame. The thing that Joe and Nicole talk about all the time, a frame to frame your face. I have that now. And that is unreal. I don't think I've ever had that in my life. So I'm really, really happy, really excited, and I can't wait to see what the next 2 sessions are going to bring. This is still a little red, and the impressions are still a little black, so you'll definitely be able to see that on camera for sure. In real life, I don't think anybody's noticing anything. I'm just very excited to see the next couple of results. So I got distracted from my wife, who wants to keep texting me. My wife is blown away. I showed my mom. My mom's blown away. It's just amazing that they can give you... I used to only have a frame to my face when I used to scrunch my head. And it brought the frame down. And it forced my face into a frame. Now, just sitting here like this, I have a frame. I can't believe it. So, anyway, guys, let me know what you think in the comments. I'm very excited. I can't wait to get those 2 other sessions onto my head so it looks darker. It looks more blended. After a few days, this is good. The result is going to die down, and I'm going to show you guys what that looks like in a couple of days when the red dies down and you just have the impressions left. I'm going to show you guys. Another thing I want you to keep in mind, look at the length of my hair. It's hard to tell. This is about a day and a half, maybe close to 2 days worth of growth right now at this point. Look at that, because that's going to be important later on. I want you guys to see, use me as an experiment in case you guys are afraid to bring your hairline down because of how much you'll have to shave. Right now, as of right now, nobody would ever be able to tell if this was, you know, normal. Nobody, if the result was healed, let me put it like that. If the SMP was healed, no one would be able to tell the amount of hair that I have on my head when compared to the front. It's not noticeable. So I'm going to be showing you, you know, day 3, day 4, day 5, to show you as the hair gets longer, what you need to watch out for and how many days you might be able to get away with. Of course, we're all different. Our hairs grow differently, different speeds, different rates, you know, hair thickness. Everybody's is different. So I can't show you exactly, but I'm going to give you a good idea in upcoming videos. Anyway, I hope this helped you. I'll show you one more time the incredible, amazing result of only 1 session. I am so excited. I cannot wait to get the other 2 sessions out of the way. Talk soon. Catch you guys in the next video.